everyone, so today we're going to do a Symmetry Procreate mandala drawing. I have done one few days back and I've got some comments and some DMs asking me if I can do a tutorial on it, like how I did it. So here I am. So at first I'm going to open my Procreate app. First we're going to go into this plus sign right here. So it's going to show you a lot of screen sizes that you're going to get. There you go. So at first what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some colors to make it a little bit vibrant. So I'm just going to use a brush. My favorite brush is calligraphy and monoline. So I'm just going to use that brush. I'm going to increase the opacity and brush size, and I'm going to use this red right around here. So I want this red to be vibrant. So after we're done with this, I'm going to go right to the second settings right here, right there. There are like few adjustments here: opacity, Gaussian blur, motion blur, perspective blur. You can use any blur. I'm just going to choose the first one, and then as you can see, I'm just getting it a blur, and I'm just going to increase less and more like this. Okay, so after I'm done, I'm going to create another layer. The second layer, I'm going to make it all black. So I'm just going to go to black. I already have my brush palette. Black is all added, but if you don't have black already, you can just choose from any color. Any color has white and black in it, so just choose black and then make the whole I feel like it's not the blackest black I'm using, so I'm going to go on more dark black if that's possible. Okay, I like this black. So after we are done with this, if we go to the canvas button right here, you will see drawing guide. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to turn the drawing guide on, and I'm going to go to the edit drawing guide, and then there are different options here: 2D grid, isometric, perspective, symmetry. We are going to use this symmetry right here. Just to see, I want to have the opacity now to 80%. We will turn that later. See, you have around 8 division. So again, you have to go to the radial. If you don't go to the radial, it's just going to be vertical or horizontal or quadrant. If you want that, that's good, but for today's mandala drawing, I'm going to go with radial. I'm going to click both. Just going to decrease the opacity because it disturbs me when I'm doing. Okay, so let's get onto it. We are going to select not the brush but the eraser. Like the brush settings on the eraser, you will have different options too. It works in the same way. Like you can select if your eraser is going to be like a brush, if that makes any sense. So I'm just going to select the same thing I did with my brush calligraphy and monoline. I'm going to just show you guys different things, like different ways you can start your drawing. So I like this a lot, and then I do like the circle a lot if you want to do this. Also, you can increase your brush size a little bit. You can draw like a circle, and if you do this, you can see it creates like little circles. I love that too. I absolutely think it's amazing. It's an amazing tool. Now I'm just going to doodle.
chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so waited all my life for someone like you to show. Now that you're mine, it's so hard to take things slow. Oh, don't wanna wait another day, don't wanna fire to fade to glow. We're going under the weather, harder than ever, higher than high we go. I'm flying light as a feather when we're together. I'm falling like a domino. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up until we get it right. 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 Spending all my days wishing I was someone else. Now the tables are turned and I climb right out as well. Someone granted my plea like a coin in a wishing well. We're going under the weather, harder than ever, higher than high we go. I'm flying light as a feather when we're together. I'm falling like a domino. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it until we get it right. Until we get it right. Until we get it right. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. Until we get it right. Until we get it right. Until we get it right.
Please